This is Richard Nazar, and today's quick and easy tutorial is about using end screens. So if you're wondering what an end screen is, it's this, where they recommend another video. So at the end of the video that we're working on, I tell them to look at the upper left at the next video so they can make a branded channel. This here is a subscribe button. And if the viewer wants to watch the next video, they just click on the end screen here. And it brings them to that video. So I'm logged into YouTube Studio, and I'm going to bring up the details of the video that I want. And then I go down on the right-hand side. I go to where it says Endscreen and click here. And my favorite one is the one where it shows the video on the left and a subscribe button on the right. I click here. And then sometimes it suggests a video, sometimes it doesn't. And so I'm just going to click on it. On the rectangle is the video, obviously. So all of these are from your channel. So you could get your most recent upload, or what's the best match for the viewer from your channel, or you can just choose. And I'm not going to choose this one. I'm going to click the pencil to edit it. And what I'm going to do here is how to create a branded YouTube channel. So after they've made their Google account, they can look up how to do a branded YouTube channel. Then I click Save. And that's it. If the video you want to use is not public, it will tell you that in this case I set it to private. So it says the video is private and be replaced by another video if it isn't public or unlisted. And if the video is deleted, you're told that as well. Let me show you. So we've selected the end screen. Let me show you. All right, let me. And there it is. There's the end screen, and there's the subscribe button.